Gold precisely behaved as the same way as we expected and discussed in our yesterday's update, and precisely the same levels 2040 I had mentioned at a great resistance and 2020 a greater support. It has stayed within the zone. Now, what to expect today from gold? Can we expect it to rise, or is it again going to show the swings and stay with the bearish bias? Which position you should take trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. And if you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Let's start. First, on the hourly charts, yes, it is creating higher lows here, and only one candle it tried to breach. It went towards the next support levels at 2020 with those as support trying to rise. And yes, again, selling entry is only below 2024 levels, below which you can say that the prices are turned bearish. Also, one must notice that now it has escalated or accelerated the rise here. Rise, retracement, rise again. So it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. The highs of this channel now somewhere here at 2035, 2040 zone. Certainly it is a good resistance. We have to watch out more carefully how it behaves in between 2035, 2040 levels. Stochastic is rising. MACD is trying to cross over for a buying position. RSI is flat. On the two, likewise on the 2 hour charts, yes, higher lows are seen, but my worry point is here the resistance at the top from the 2040 levels and the push it is getting from the top levels. That is what I am looking at. So once you see it is staying above 2035, certainly we can initiate a buying position here. Expect 2040, and this time it can try to achieve higher highs, which means for 2042 levels can be expected. And once it breaks beyond 2042, certainly we are looking at 2047, 48. Stochastic is seen rising here. MACD is in the retracement zone. You can look at the slope. It is retracing here. It is not a reversal. So the bullish movement, the buying movement, or this movement is going to be comparatively less than what we have seen with the fall here. The fall was sharper. The rise is gradual. This suggests that it is still under retracement. RSI is still flat. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, now multiple candles getting the support here at 2026 levels, and now this time it has taken the support a little higher and trying to rise. So this is the first bullish candle. I will wait for the next candle. When the next candle stays above 2035, because see, this is the double top levels here, and once it stays above 2035, we can expect more bullishness to prevail, which may take the prices towards 2040. 2040 is certainly proving out to be greater resistance, but beyond 2040, or rather I will say 2040 42 levels this time, beyond 42 is where more bullishness is going to be seen here in gold. Stochastic rising. MACD is still in the retracement zone, trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is rising as well. On the similar observation here, consolidated enough, trying to look upwards. I will wait for the next candle. Once you see the next candle trying to stay bullish, and if you see the price is staying below 2040, certainly you can say that now gold is trying to give a breakout. Else, remember, one more point you should notice here. After the drop, it is consolidating in the zone, and a breakout is equally going to be sharper, because see, this is the drop here, it is consolidating here. The direction it takes, it is going to be stronger. So wait for it to break above 2042 and below 2020 levels in order to confirm a move here. Stochastic rising. MACD has crossed over at bottom, trying to diverge, trying to show little bullishness. RSI is staying flat. Coming to the look at the daily chart, see the candle stayed or it has shown good swing, taken the support from the 20 period moving, and now today's candle is started flat and it is looking upwards. So what it can try to do, it can achieve higher highs here, which means 40-42 levels can be seen. And in fact, once you see it is staying beyond 40-42, possibly we can look forward to 20-48-50 levels as well. That is going to be the next resistance on the upside. Stochastic has come to oversold levels. Now only thing is that the MACD is trying to trade with divergence and bearishness, and this is the second red candle in succession. Also, the next observation here is this crossover is coming from the higher levels, thus it has the potential for it to continue on the downside. And this also goes with the theory that a breakout, right now it is retracing and it can give a breakout either which ways. RSI was overbought, it is now cooled down. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy today at 2036 level. Beyond 2036, you can look forward to 2040-42 zone as the first target, and then 48-52 as the next targets. Beyond 52, sky is the limit on the upside. On the down, before I give you the selling entries, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, if you have not registered for our weekly webinar series, this time it is going to be a completely free webinar. Register for it. We are going to discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. We are going to take a holistic view, and also I'll be taking up your questions live there. So do register for the webinar. The link is mentioned in my communities tab of this channel and my channel and video description. Also, you will find this in my free telegram channel. Do visit the free telegram channel or do visit my page www.forexfunda.com for more details. And yes, if you want to join the signals channel, reach out to me via telegram or email. Now, selling entries today is below 2028 levels. If you see the prices, or rather I will say 2026. So in between 2026 and 2036, do not take a trade. Below 2026, you can take a selling position. Expect 2022, 2018 as the two targets which are going to be greater support. 2018, 2022, I have been mentioning since last couple of days that this is going to be the support zone here. And it is again the support zone for the day. Below 2018 is where the bears will take over. If you see the price is staying below 2018, just stay further short. So yes, you can sell here at 2026 levels. Expect 2018, 2022 as the next support levels. On the upside, above 2036, we can initiate a buying position as we discussed. So take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your services related queries. For if you have any queries related to your existing positions or trades, you can just schedule a call with me by visiting the platform forexfunda.com. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session update. Do not miss that update as well. Thank you.